Science in Pajamas. So you might notice that we're in a slightly different location than normal, and that's because we're going to start looking at some physics problems. And it's just going to be easier for me to continuously write on my board if I am standing up and in a different location. So, before we actually get in with some of the problems, I do want us to talk about accuracy and precision. Those are two words that oftentimes can get interchanged, but they actually do mean two different things. So we're going to talk a little bit about what they are, and then we'll go on from there. All right, you guys. So accuracy. Accuracy is looking at how close your measurements are to the actual value. So in accuracy, how close your measurements are to the actual value. So there's a way I can kind of adjust that later. Alright, as opposed to precision, just get that done like that for now. Whereas precision, this is how close your measurements are to each other. Are to each other. And yes, I am very well aware that I have horrific handwriting. I was always told that it was chicken scratch, so it's okay. Alright, so we're going to use an example of a bullseye. So give me a moment while I draw that up there. What we're going to do is look at how different shots taken at a bullseye can represent accuracy versus precision. I'm going to give us 4 bullseyes. Alright, so there we have four bullseyes. Now we're going to talk about how these can appear accurate, precise, both, or neither. Now remember, accuracy is how close your measurements are to the actual value. So what we would be looking for is, in the case of a bullseye, how close are they to the center mark? So we're going to use 4 points. Let's say we threw 4 darts at it. If I get all 4 points in the center, now all 4 of them are accurate because they are all close to the desired target, in this case the center. However, all of them are also precise because they are all close together. So this is accurate and precise. Alright, what if I get them all together but nowhere near the middle? So in this case, they're still precise because all of my measurements are close to each other. So it's precise. But notice none of them are near what I would expect it to. None of them are near the desired amount, the calculated value. So since none of them are near the bullseye, even though it's precise because they're all grouped together, it is not accurate. So it is precise, but not accurate. Now I could also have them kind of grouped around the bullseye. In this case, they're all close to the bullseye, so they're accurate. However, notice how they're more spread out. So in this case, they're not precise. Or what if they ended up all over the place? So we can have maybe one here, 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 and there. In this case, none of them are really close to the bullseye. So none of them are accurate. And none of them are grouped together, so none of them are precise. So even though these terms can be kind of used interchangeably, they don't mean the same thing. Accuracy means that they are all near the expected value, such as here, near the bullseye, and here, they're near the bullseye. Precise means that they are all grouped together. So here they're grouped, and there they're grouped. If it's not accurate, it's not near the expected value. If it's not precise, they're not grouped close together. So grouped close together at the bullseye, it is accurate and is precise. Grouped together but not near the bullseye, it is precise because they're grouped together, but not accurate because they're not near the expected value. Here, they're all near the bullseye, but they're not grouped closely together. So they're accurate because they're close to the bullseye, but they're not precise because they're not together. And here, they're not near the bullseye, and they are not grouped together. So it is neither accurate nor precise. All right, so I hope that kind of helped a little bit with understanding the difference between the two. If you guys have questions, hit me up in our Google Classroom or in our, through email or in actual classroom. All right, you guys, I hope that helps. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.